Well, it's time to start cutting tile. Woo! Hey everybody, hope you're doing okay out there. Well, time today is to start cutting tile. But you know what? I want to show you what I've been doing since the last video. I'll put a link above, you guys can check it out. I think you guys can like the transformation. A lot of work. Let's go and check it out. Well, since the last video you guys saw that I did a lot of transformation, but as you can see in here, there's organized chaos. You can see the previous look of this Arizona room, but that's okay. This is part of the construction. But I want to show you guys how it's going to look in the transformation that I did since the last video. You guys can see what I'm trying to get an idea about. I'm going to show you guys a floor plan that I created, and that you guys will see this here and say, oh, okay, I got it. This gives you an idea of what you can do to your own rig. I tell you what, let's go and check it out.
I'm just going to do a little prep work right here, and for the circuit breaker box that's going in, I'm not sure exactly where we're putting it. The old one's kind of defunct. We're going from a 3-wire to a 4-wire. So get ready for a breaker box when it comes.
This here section here, a fireplace. And the fireplace, I'll move over a little bit. The fireplace is pretty cool because it does have the remote control on it. It gives off heat, and it has the ambience of LED lighting behind it that you actually can change the lighting to whatever you want to change. And there's also crystals that I'm going to put in here once I'm done. Give it that little extra effect. I think it's cool. I think it's really cool. Like that. That should be good enough for right now. Mix it some more. Go slow with it. Like hard concrete.